Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are going to learn arithmetical problems, chapter 1, ratio and proportion. In class 6, we have already learned ratio means comparison of two numbers by division. A ratio has no unit and is meaningful only if the quantities being compared are like quantities measured in the same unit. Now we will start the exercise. First question. Express the following ratios in the simplest form. First one, 105 is to 231. Here the first term or antecedent is 105 and the second term or the consequent is 231. Here both the terms are first term and the second terms are integers. So to get the simplest form, we should divide both the numbers by their HCF. Here 105 divided by 231. Here you know both the terms have 3 as the common factor. You know both the numbers are cancelled by 3. So it is getting 35 and 77. Again both the numbers are coming in the table of 7. So cancel it. So 7 5s are 35 and 7 11s are 77. So the simplest form is 5 by 11. That is equal to 5 is to 11. Second question. 8 7 by 9 is to 11 2 by 7. Here first the mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. So first one, 8 9s are 72 plus 7 is 79 divided by 9. This time is 11 7s are 77 plus 2 is 79 by 7. Here the first term and the second term are fractions. So to get the simplest form, both the numbers are multiplied by their LCM. Or you know, fraction division means take the reciprocal and multiply. So here 79 divided by 9 divided by 79 divided by 7. So take the reciprocal and multiply. 79 divided by 9 into 7 divided by 79. Here 79 cancel. So the answer is 7 by 9 equal to 7 is to 9. Next question. 60 rupees 50 paise to 26 rupees 75 paise. Here rupees and paises are given. So first convert both into paise. You know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Therefore 60 rupees is equal to 6000 paise. So 6000 paise plus 50 paise. So this is 6050 paise to 2675 paise. That is equal to 6050 divided by 2675. Both are coming in the table of 25. So this is cancelled by 25. So the answer is coming as 242 divided by 107. So the answer is 242 is to 107. Next question. 14 meter to 7 meter 35 centimeter. Here meter and centimeter are given. So convert both into centimeter. You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 14 meter is equal to 14 into 100, that is 1400 centimeter to this is 7 meter is 700 centimeter and 35. So 735 centimeter. So this is you can write 1400 divided by 735. Here both the time 5 is the common factor, so you can cancel by 5. So this is 280 divided by 147. Now again this is coming in the table of 7. So this is cancelled out by 7. So this is 40 divided by 21. So the answer is 40 is to 21. Next question, 3 minute 10 second to 1 minute 40 seconds. You know, here minute and seconds are given, so convert both into seconds. You know, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so 3 minute is equal to 3 into 60 is 180. So 180 plus 10 is 190 seconds to here 100 seconds. So this is, you can write 190 divided by 100. Both are coming in the table of 10. So you can cancel out by 10. So the answer is 19 is to 10. Next question. A man earns 90,000 rupees a year and spends 75,600 rupees a year. Find the ratio of his income to his expenditure and his saving to his income. First part, ratio of his income to his expenditure. You know, it is given that his income is 90,000 rupees and his expenditure is 75,600. So first part is ratio of his income to his expenditure is equal to 90,000 rupees is to 75,600 rupees. You know, in this one both are coming in the table of 100, cancel by 100. So this is coming 900 by 756. Again both are coming in the table of 9. So cancel out by 9. So this is coming 100 divided by 84. Again both are coming in the table of 4. So cancel out by 4. 25 by 21. So the answer is 35 is to 21. Next part, we have to find out the ratio of his savings to his income. First we have to find out how much is his savings. Savings is equal to income minus expenditure. So this is equal to 90,000 minus 75,600 rupees. That is equal to 14,400 rupees. So his savings is 14,400 rupees. Therefore, ratio of his savings to his income is savings is 14,400 rupees and income is 90,000 rupees. So we can write 14,400 divided by 90,000. Both are coming in the table of 100, cancelled out by 100. So this is coming 144 divided by 900. Both are coming in the table of 9. So cancel out by 9. This is coming 16 by 900. Again both are coming in the table of 4. Cancel out by 4. So this is coming 4 by 25. So the answer is 4 is to 25. Next question. A baby girl sleeps 12.5 hours every day. Find the ratio of the time she is awake to the time she is asleep. It is given that a baby girl sleeps 12.5 hours. So first we have to find out the number of hours the baby girl awake. You know, in a day total 24 hours. So here she sleep 12.5 hours. So how many hours she wake up? You know, 24 minus 12.5. So this is 12.5 mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So this is coming 24 minus 25 by 2. Take the LCM. You know, here the denominator is 1. So multiply this part by 2. So this is 48 minus 25 by 2. 48 minus 25 is 23. 23 by 2 is equal to 11.5 hours. Therefore, the ratio of the time she is awake to the time she is asleep is equal to 11.5 is to 12.5. 11.5 is 23 by 2 is to 25 by 2. You know, fraction division is equal to take the reciprocal and multiply. So this is 23 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 25. Here 2 cancel. So the answer is 23 is to 25.